Oh my goodness, it actually works! I just tested this incredible strategy that can turn $1 into thousands with a 95% win rate. It's even more profitable than Bitcoin because it took 8 years for it to turn $1 into 1,000. It took me no more than 15 minutes. This video is going to be about my most profitable strategy ever. Stick around till the end and you will discover the safest and fastest way for a beginner to earn a daily income of $500. Hey there, it's Agatha. I've been trading professionally for over 7 years. My win rate is 89%. Over the past year, I've earned over $1.5 million. You too can earn thousands of dollars. Just subscribe to my free Telegram channel. Every day, more than 37,000 of my subscribers copy my trades, and collectively we rake in $500K in one session. Join for free using the first link in the description or pinned comment. Friends, it might sound super ambitious, but if all my calculations are correct, we are about to turn $1 into a couple of grands. I'm a little nervous, but with my experience, I'm confident everything will go smoothly. Let's open Quadex and get everything ready for trading. Let's do this! First thing first, the trade time is 1 minute. The candlestick time frame is 30 seconds. Good. Let's choose our currency pairs. Today we are going with the following: the US dollar and the rupee, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc, the New Zealand and the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand and the Swiss franc. All these pairs have performed well over the past week and exhibit predictable behavior. Now the most crucial thing in our strategy, aka indicators. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, and the Stochastic Oscillator Indicator. We are going to delve more into the uniqueness of this dynamic duo a bit later. Alright, are you ready to rake in some serious cash? We've got $1.65 in our account, but let's stick to the plan and start with $1. The US dollar and the rupee. We jumped in at the tail end of the green candle, anticipating a downward trend to establish a support level. Down we go! Yes, just like that, we've got $1.90, off to a great start. On the second pair, we're expecting an upward movement. Growth initiated from our local minimum and the established support level. Stochastic also signals an upward trend. Let's play the bid. A bit more and... got it! Our deposit has grown to almost $4.5. But we are aiming higher. Now here is a big question. Do you believe that having a degree in economics is crucial for a successful options trading career? Personally, I think it's not necessary at all. What's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now the New Zealand and the Canadian dollar. Wow, the market is throwing us a curveball here. Remember, never initiate a trade if you are uncertain about the market's predictability. Let's keep this pair. Next up is the New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc. Everything looks predictable here. Both indicators are signaling a price increase. Let's follow their lead, going up. This strategy is working like a charm, and we are now at $7.9. Well, the US dollar and the rupee now. The indicators are predicting a downward movement at the formation of a downtrend. Down we go. A bit more. Well done! We've successfully made $14. The indicators are performing so well. Let me break them down for you guys now. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, helps us determine the trend direction and its tracks. An upward crossover signals an uptrend, while a downward crossover indicates a downtrend. The Stochastic Oscillator signals overbought or oversold conditions. Values above 80 mean overbought, and values below 20 indicate oversold. So this pair is one of the most reliable, offering signals about the trend direction and its changes at the same time. Now let's keep it going. Alright, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. It's not available yet. Let's keep this one. Now we are looking at the New Zealand and the Canadian dollars. The market is evidently gearing up for the onset of a downward trend, and the indicators are aligning with the downward movement. Awesome! We've added another $26 to our deposit. Cool! I always provide detailed explanations for every decision during the trading session, emphasizing key market signals. Your support means a lot to me. Like this video so that our super strategy can reach as many professionals and beginners as possible. The New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc. We can see a clear initiation of a downward trend from our peak, and the minor bullish momentum during this period means nothing. We're sticking with the trend. Let's click down. Bam! Fantastic! Just fantastic! Our balance is at $51. The key is to maintain focus and analyze the market with no fuss. Alrighty, the US dollar and the rupee. Everything is straightforward here. The downward trend persists and a price drop is inevitable. Both of our indicators confirm that. So let's head down. Awesome! Our balance has almost reached $100. Having such a powerful strategy feels fantastic. The second pair is still unavailable. Let's keep it. On to New Zealand and Canadian dollar. Here we are witnessing bearish momentum again from our historical peak, and we are not anticipating a sudden change in the trend. We are betting on a decline. Let's hit the down button. Yep, we were right. Great. So far, so good. We now have $185. Let's keep the momentum going. Whoa, I love it when indicators do all of the work for us. Look, there is a clear market reversal and growth on the horizon. Up we go. Well done, $349 in the bank. Whoever said that $1 isn't much just doesn't know about our top-notch strategy that turns $1 into real money. That's why it's always worth checking out my videos with new lucrative strategies. I highly recommend this video where I meticulously analyze a strategy and make over $3,000 with it. It is incredibly informative. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch it. Let's keep our deposit growing. Back to the US dollar and the rupee. It's pretty clear here. Nothing new, the downward trend persists, and our indicators confirm this. Clicking down. Let's keep the money rolling. Yes, we've hit $664. We are making great progress. So the second pair is finally off the table. Let's close it and move on to the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. We see the trend reversing as the red candles give way to green momentum, and we enter right at the beginning of an uptrend. Going up! We've reached 1,000! Yeah! We're at $1,268. This is simply incredible, a 100% success rate. The New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc. The stochastic impulse shows a downward movement. We trust the indicator and click down. Our deposit has grown to $1,890. So amazing! Now stopping here, I feel like we can do more. Next step, the US dollar and the rupee. There has been a trend reversal from the historical low, and we are following an upward movement. Clicking up. Okay, this is the 13th straight and the 13th right decision in a row. And we have earned $3,058. We have the perfect strategy in our hands. Let's continue. The New Zealand and the Canadian dollar. We can see that a new resistance level is forming here and the candle will tend to rise. Clicking up. Bam! We had $1 and now we have $3,968. Incredible! The market is an open book. Next, the New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc. We entered at the end of the life of the green candle and are expecting a downward rebound. Clicking down on this one. Well done! Yes, that's right, we're on the roll! Whew. Final trade for today, the US dollar and the rupee. Both indicators very clearly show the downward movement of the market. Today the indicators didn't let us down once. Sometimes as a professional trader you get the feeling that today is your day. Today is one of these days. I'm placing 4 bets, clicking down 4 times in a row. Amazing, just amazing, yes! Wow, what an incredible journey! Turning $1 into $8,458 in just 15 minutes is beyond imagination. But we achieved it together. Our strategy worked flawlessly and I'm thrilled with the results. Nowhere else can you witness the transformation of $1 into $8,000 in such a short time. It may seem unreal, but we just proved it's possible. I truly believe that this is only possible with the binary options market. Personally, I've earned over 1.5 million here, got myself a luxurious car, my dream house, and unforgettable vacations every month. Achieving my first million, I made a promise to help as many people as possible to fulfill their dreams. That's why I created a Telegram channel, which already has more than 37,000 subscribers. I have had the privilege of changing many lives. Every day my subscribers send me tons of grateful feedback. In return, I share my trading signals, guide them on how to use Quadex, showing beginners which buttons to press, where and when. I explain everything in detail, step by step. You can copy my trades completely free and earn $400–500 per session. In just a couple of days, even if you're a total newbie, you will grasp trading and start making your first money. All you need to do is follow a couple of simple steps. So first, join my Telegram channel and second, shoot me a private message. I'm waiting for you on my Telegram channel right now. Follow the first link in the description and in the pinned comment under this video. Friends, what an amazing trading session! I'm gonna be waiting for your likes, comments and subscriptions. That's all for today. See you in my next videos. Bye!